What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing great today. So in this video, I just want to talk about what's going on with Apple and their future plans for foldable phones. First off, before we begin the video, I just want to excuse myself for my voice. I lost my voice in the past few days. So with that said, let's get on with the video. Alright, so we're still pretty much at the early stages of 2019, and there's already a bunch of different foldable smartphones coming out that have been unveiled. They haven't been released yet, but they are in the process of coming out, with the Samsung Galaxy Fold to be the first one to be released April 26th. So also Huawei is coming out with the Mate 10, which is very promising. I think, in my opinion, it looks a lot better, and I love the design a lot more than the Samsung Galaxy Fold. But what about Apple? What are they doing about this? Are they gonna stay behind and just wait an entire year until 2020 to begin releasing them? Or maybe even further along? Or will they release one in 2019 as well? Well, leaks are pointing to that Apple will not be releasing a foldable iPhone in 2019. It looks like they're going to be sticking to their basic design, like the iPhone lineup that was released in 2018, the iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR. Although obviously they are going to have to do some nice upgrades, like mentioned in a previous video. So after some research, I came to the conclusion that it is still very early on. I mean, foldable smartphones are just being released, and just because Apple's not the first one that came out with it, it doesn't really necessarily mean that they're gonna fall behind. I think what Apple's doing is, they're playing it smart, and they're trying to get everything down right, and they want to let Samsung and these other companies kind of test the foldable smartphone field out before they jump into it. Apple has been working on patents for foldable smartphones for years now. They have many patents that they already have approved, not just for foldable smartphones, but also for 360 display smartphones. So we really don't know 100% where Apple is going with all this stuff. They have all these patents lined up, and they haven't announced that they're going to be using it or creating products that are aligned with these patents anytime soon. So we'll see. The future has a lot of exciting things that are going to be coming from Apple, and from all the leaks that I have read, I don't believe that 2019 is the year that we will be seeing these major changes from Apple. But I do think that in 2020 we'll start to see some of these changes play out, and we'll see if Apple decides to go with their version of the foldable smartphone, which they will also have to upgrade the iOS version that will work perfectly with the foldable smartphone, as well as all of their other features. Or maybe Apple will decide to ditch the foldable smartphone industry if they see it doesn't play out as well, and they will go with their other patents that they have been creating over time, which are 360-degree displays. So there are devices that you'll be able to see all the way around. Since it's going to be a 360 display, it's going to have infinite scrolling. So Apple has filed a couple patents for foldable smartphones. They have one that looks like a clam phone, like the old Motorola RAZR smartphones. It's kind of like the same size as the iPhone now, but it will just fold in half, and making it a lot smaller. They also have patents for flexible batteries, so that the batteries will be able to flex and fold with the phone as well. So signs that they will be releasing foldable smartphones is that they also got another patent approved for an internal heating method that will heat the hinge of the iPhone where it actually bends, because they're claiming that cold temperatures over time will cause more damage to the bending portion of the screen. So Apple wants to fix this by creating that internal heating mechanism, so that the screens will be less likely to break or be damaged by the cold weather. Also, Samsung has supplied Apple and Google with samples of their foldable displays. Samsung Display is the market leader in distributing OLED screens to other manufacturers. So it looks like Samsung wants to partner up with Apple again and with Google to offer them their screens for their foldable smartphones. The screen that Samsung is offering to Apple for Apple's foldable smartphone is a 7.2-inch full screen display, just a 0.1 of an inch smaller than the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which will be 7.3 inch when completely opened up. And one more thing that I just want to let you know is that Apple does file a lot of patents, and a lot of the times they usually don't even come out with the technology for these patents. So they kind of just file patents just to kind of like secure their future in the technology field, so that in case any one of these technologies becomes the standard, they will have the edge to the game. But it doesn't necessarily mean or point out to a certain time when Apple will start manufacturing on these patent applications that they have filed. Alright everyone, so when will Apple be releasing their foldable smartphone? It's not 100% sure, but most leaks are pointing to 2020. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a like, and that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.